kaganyo. Hey, I look like Friday the 13th like Jason. This is Hebe because this year is Year of the Snake. So this is snake. The Japanese of snake is Hebe. Hebe. Hebe smoker. Joke. Oh my. I look scary. Yeah, I will remove this. Ta-da! From Friday the 13th, I'm back to being a human. Human. I just got back home from Jinja, from a shrine. It's called, what was it again? Yamana
Hachiman Shrine.
From Yamana Hachiman Shrine. And we had tons of fun. We spent almost half a day in there. We even played like lotto, and it's just so much fun. Tanoshimi. And we got this. This is my prize. I will open this up. I'm gonna show you. So since this year is Year of Snake, Hebe, there, it's so cute. Year of the Snake. This is what I got. This is my prize. See? Isn't this kawaii? And this one is my husband. So let's open this up. I'm gonna open this Minasai. Oh, look. There's lots in it. Ala, sugoi. Sugoi, sugoi. Okay, please assemble this. So here, this is the prize that he won. I'm gonna show you. So cute. White snake, red snake. Oh, I have mine. Let's put mine too. It should be, the red should be the center. Mine is
Okay.
Oh yes. And the red should be the center. Kawaii. So it said, like in Japanese, for white snake it brings luck, and for red snake it's also good luck. Usually when they have festival, they would alternate the color red, white, red, white. So yeah, and it's good because I got white and he got white and red. So that's super lucky. super lucky. And after, or before we played Lotto, we also bought Umamori. Yeah, Umamori, but I'm not gonna show you because it's, to avoid evil eye. Yeah, so we bought Umamori, and my father-in-law bought Golden Daruma.
Golden
Daruma. Yeah, he bought Golden Daruma. I don't know what that means. What it means? I see. So Golden Daruma means okane, money. Okane kasigo. Norera was star. Okane. Yeah, Golden Daruma over there. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Golden Daruma.